everybody, so today we'll be cooking some steak with potatoes and then broccoli on the side. We will start with preparing our potatoes because it's taking the longest time to actually cook it. I chose baby potatoes because I like them the most. I literally cut them in half. I don't even peel them. I cannot be bothered. Of course, any type of potato will do here, but remember, if you're not peeling them, make sure that you're washing them thoroughly because we don't want any dirt on it. You don't want to find yourself basically having dirt in your potatoes. So we will put it to the boil. Remember to salt your water. We don't want any bland food. In the meantime, clean your broccoli. You can just simply wash it, also trim it if you feel like it, and put it to boil. Remember to put it on a small heat because we don't want to overcook the broccoli compared to the potatoes. We also will be salting the water. When it will boil, I will switch off the hob and let it soak in a hot water, just to make sure to not overcook it. In the meantime, I will prepare our steak, so we will need to season it. I use just sea salt and the black pepper. I think that the steak doesn't need any more special spices. Next, on your pan, heat up olive oil and chuck some garlic. I don't peel my garlic actually because I found it that if I peel it, I literally burn it. Next, when the oil is hot, put your steak on it. We want it nice and brown on each side, so don't move your steak too much. Just let it sit and cook it how you like it. I like mine medium done, so a bit pink. I like it. I like the chew. Check your potatoes if they are soft. Also, at that stage, I already switched off the broccoli. It's just sitting in the hot water. And yeah, I put also some butter, not salted butter, because we already seasoned the steak, just to give this extra flavor to it. But if you don't want it, you can just keep it on olive oil. It's your choice. So yeah, I also, I'm not sure how this technique actually is called, but when the oil and butter melted together, I like to just pour it over my steak to just make sure that it absorbs all the flavor. And yeah, when the potatoes are soft, just drain them. Also drain the broccoli. I like to put some freshly grinded pepper on my broccoli in the very end. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful to you and see you soon on the next video.